Welcome to the Indian Biomedical Skill Consortium. IBSC offers various skill training programs to students, working professionals and manufacturers. Indian Biomedical Skill Consortium was established on 16th February 2018 and its founder members are Amtz, National Accreditation Board of Certification Bodies and Association of Indian Manufacturers of Medical Devices. The Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship accredits IBSC programs. IBSC has partnerships with more than 110 universities and colleges across India. We are happy to share that till date, over 10,000 plus students visited Amtz as part of the industrial visit. Students from various disciplines such as IT, diploma, engineering, pharma, management and medical sciences have visited Amtz. The site visit program includes an orientation session followed by visits to industrial and scientific facilities pertinent to their fields of study. This session benefits students in various ways. It also fosters their enthusiasm for medical devices. They get to see the medical devices getting manufactured and ready in real time. We invite other colleges and universities to visit Amtz so that they can explore the opportunities that our institution offers. For more information, visit ibscamtz.in.